In this video, we are going to solve a question of coding. Our question is, in a certain cipher language, bike is coded as YFHB and car is coded as ZXO. Then, scooter can be coded as. So, we have to find how scooter is coded in this cipher language. There are four options given here. We are going to find the correct coding. So, I have given here some of the details given in our question. Bike is coded as YFHB. Car is coded as ZXO. Some of them I have indicated below. Here we can see that E goes to B, I goes to F, and R goes to O. So, there we can observe a common pattern. That is, each letter is coded by a letter which is 3 steps backwards. That is, E is coded to B, which is 3 steps backwards. I is coded to F, which is also 3 steps backwards. R is coded to O, which is 3 steps backwards. So, now consider the word scooter. When we consider S, according to our pattern, it has to be coded to a letter which is 3 steps backwards. So, S has to be coded to P. So, the coding of S is P. Now consider C. C has to be coded to a letter which is 3 steps backwards, and the letter which is 3 steps backwards to C is Z. So C is coded to Z. Now consider O. O is coded to L, which is 3 steps backwards. And this O is also coded to L. Now consider T. T is coded to a letter which is 3 steps backwards. So T has to be coded to Q. So the coding of T is Q. Now consider E. E is coded to B. And finally consider R. R is already coded to O. So we can see that the coding of scooter is PZLLQBO. So scooter can be coded as PZLLQBO in this cipher language. There is also another easier way to find the coding of scooter. When we consider the last two letters of scooter, that is E and R, we can see that E is coded to B in bike and R is coded to O in R. So, the last two letters of scooter is coded to BO. And considering the option, we can eliminate all the options A, B and D. So, the only option remaining is C. So, the correct answer is C. In this way, we can also find the answer in an easier way. So, the coding of scooter is PZLLQBO. Therefore, our correct answer is option C.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christie's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on general aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for general aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Verghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.